Good morning, students. Let us start with English grammar lesson number 16, adjectives, degrees of comparison. Today we are going to solve Fairbook exercise 1. Exercise 1, filling the blanks with correct forms of adjective within the bracket. First one, her ring is dash than mine. In bracket they have given pretty. They have also used than word. So than we are using with the comparative degree. So what is the comparative degree of pretty? Prettier. So write down her ring is prettier than mine. Second, cheetahs are the dash animals we can find the they have used. It is used with the superlative degree. So what is the superlative degree of fast? Fastest. So write down cheetahs are the fastest animal we can find. Third, eating fruit and vegetable is dash than eating hot dogs. Then we are using with the comparative degree, and in bracket they have given healthy. So what is the comparative degree of healthy? Healthier. So write down eating fruits and vegetables is healthier than eating hot dogs. Fourth, I like milk dash than coffee. In bracket they have given good. They also use than word. So then we are using with the comparative degree. So what is the comparative degree of good? Better. So write down better. I like milk better than coffee. Fifth, China has dash people than any other country in the world. In bracket they have given word many. So what is the comparative degree of many? More. Why we are using comparative degree? Because they have used word than any other. It is used with the comparative degree. Okay, so that's why we have wrote more. China has more people than any other country in the world. 6. The blue whale is the dash animal in the world. They have used. So the we are using with the superlative degree. So superlative degree of heavy is heaviest. So write down heaviest. The blue whale is the heaviest animal in the world. 7th, which is dash Portugal or Spain. In bracket they have given big. So what is the comparative degree of big? Bigger. So write down which is biggest, Portugal or Spain. 8. Traveling by plane is dash than traveling by car. In bracket they have given comfortable. Okay. So what is the comparative degree of comfortable? More comfortable. And why we are writing comparative degree more comfortable? Because they have used word than. So write down traveling by plane is more comfortable than traveling by car. Ninth, he is the dash person in class. In bracket they have given untidy, and they also use word the. So what is the superlative degree of untidy? Most untidy. So write down he is the most untidy person in class. 10. Buying things made from plastic is dash than buying things from recycled paper than they have used. So it is a comparative degree. So what is the comparative degree of bad? Worse. So write down worse. Buying things made from plastic is worse than buying things from recycled paper. 11th, the Nile is the dash river in the world. In bracket they have given long. So what is the superlative degree of long? Longest, because they have used word the. So write down the Nile is the longest river in the world. 12th, Antarctica is one of the dash place on the earth. The again they have used, and in bracket they have used word cold. So what is the superlative degree of cold? Coldest. So right now Antarctica is one of the coldest place on the earth. 13. Greece is dash than England. So again they have used word than, and in bracket they have used word hot. So what is the comparative degree of hot? Hotter. So write down Greece is hotter than England. 14. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the dash of them all? In bracket they have given pretty, and they also use word the. It is used with the superlative degree. So what is the superlative degree of pretty? Prettiest. So write down mirror, mirror on the wall. Who is the prettiest of them all? 15. My room is dash than hers. In bracket they have given large. So what is the comparative degree of large? Larger. And why we are using comparative degree? Because they have used word than, and it is used with the comparative degree. So write down my room is larger than hers. Hope students, you have understood Fairbook exercise 1. Thank you.